How to fix Valorant VMD 9001. A VMD controller has encountered a fatal uncoverable error. First step, search for run and type the following text MSINF432. Click OK. A system information page will appear. In this, check for BIOS mode. It should be in UEFI, and the secure boot state. It should be in on state. Make sure it. Come to next step, search for run and type the following text tpm.msc. Click OK. Check the status. The TPM is ready for use and the specification version should be 2.0. In the next step, search for CMD, right click run as administrator and type the following text sfc/scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. The verification is ongoing. Once the verification is complete after, we need to check if there is any error occurred or not. There is no error. Exit it and move on with next step. Open up your client, click profile account, click settings. This page will appear. In this you need to click the Valorant, click repair and start repair. It's actually verifying your game file. Once complete after, it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK and come back and come to next step. Search for settings, click it, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Riot Vanguard. Click the three dot icon in the right hand side and click uninstall. Click yes and uninstall it. Once the uninstall complete after, you need to close it and restart your device. After restart, open up Riot client. It will asking for reinstalling the Riot Vanguard. Freshly reinstall the Riot Vanguard. After installation, click settings, click update, check for Windows update. If there is any download or installation pending having, means you need to download and install it and make your Windows up to date. Once the update complete after, restart your device. Thank you.